How to do your moisturizer? Well, get a moisturizer, a powder or a dasoni, a brush. You need some sunscreen, and you need some sand to keep your destination light. First is the brush. Second is to do your hair tie. So when you're moisturizing your face, you have to just tie your hair so the hair cannot go into the. So, what's up? Pick up. What's the first one that I'm going to do? The moisturizer. Okay. First, let's erase this little face. Where's the whites? It's already. This is white. Thank you, Lord. Let's erase my face. Me too. We got that thing. That's what I So we're done. Look at that. That's what I put in the push. Float in the air. She's in the air. First, you have to do moisturizer. Have to be careful. Done. Now blend. Done. Moisture. Sunscreen. Anh phải đại đâu nhỉ? Bye guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.